Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing 2 clear photos of each person and confirming similar lighting and angles. This helps Gemini align faces. Next, pick the final style: studio, candid, cinematic, and decide on the crop ratio like 16:9 or square. Once done, open Gemini and upload the reference images as attachments while keeping a concise prompt ready. Make sure to name the subjects and outline key pose, clothing, and background elements so the model can merge likeness and style accurately. You now refine the prompt with precise actions. Indicate pose, expression, clothing details, and background elements so Gemini understands spatial relationships. Then enable face match or reference alignment to preserve each subject's identity and set quality to high. Select a seed if you want repeatable outcomes. Once configured, generate multiple iterations, 3 to 5, changing small variables such as lighting, guidance scale, or swapping one reference to test consistency. Make sure to compare outputs and note which prompts best preserve likeness. You finish by selecting the strongest render and performing final edits. Fix minor artifacts, tweak color balance, and crop for composition. If faces are distorted or mismatched, rerun with higher face alignment weight or supply closer frontal photos to guide Gemini. Once done, upscale or export at desired resolution. If the background or proportions seem wrong, explicitly state camera distance or lens type and rerun one targeted iteration. Remember, small prompt tweaks usually resolve the big.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.